If you're seeing this video, I'm about to describe you. You're always there for everyone. You try to make everyone else laugh. You think about the future nonstop. And you put everyone's needs before your own. But the truth is, you feel so lonely. You feel broken. You overthink all the time. And you just want to be loved the way that you love others. Listen to me. There is nothing wrong with you. I know you're going through a hard patch right now. But just know that you're loved and you're worth so much.